There can never be any change in God's eternal being, but our ideas of God may change from age to age. As mankind grows knowledge and experience, its conception of God becomes nobler and purer. A civilized man has certainly a more exalted conception of God than a savage. And even in civilized countries, a scholar has a more worthy conception of God and his purposes than a peasant. It is these different conceptions, some high, some low, some adequate, some inadequate, that have given rise to the various religions of the world.